Hello everybody, today we're going to make this lovely easy wire wrapped ring. Your materials are on the screen and let's get started. Cut one length of 30 centimeters long, 1 millimeter silver plated copper wire and bend it around your ring mandrel to the size that you would like to make. Wrap the wire once around the ring mandrel and both tails up to the top, so you have made one full turn and back to the top. We are going to use these very pretty turquoise howlite beads. I love the color. Thread one bead, one jump ring, one bead, one jump ring, and one bead onto the one wire only. Take that tail that the beads are on, wrap it around the ring mandrel once more, under up to the top, and wrap it around the entire bunch of wires, all three wrapped together. That is to secure the wires together. Now you can see it's off the ring mandrel. There is your tail, and you're taking it across all of those wires and wrapping it around a few times and securing it. Fit it back on the ring mandrel, check for size, and now we're going to tap it with the metal hammer just to set that little wrap in place. Now we are going to use the other tail and curl it upwards and around the middle stone. Bend your wire down a little bit so that it forms a proper circle setting around the stone, not too high up on top of the ring. Bend it around the middle stone and then across to the other side, keeping it low, and you're going to wrap it around that stone, the third stone. The tail is around the third stone, and now you're going to thread it through and under the ring bands, up on the other side, and if you have to trim it, I think just cut off a bit of that wire. It's a bit long, and do 2 or 3 wraps on that side of the ring. Easy peasy, and it looks so effective and pretty. Compress your wrapped wires, squeeze them in, make sure that it's secure and up against the band so that it can't scratch you when you're wearing it. Put it on your metal ring mandrel this time and give it a little tap all round, over the wraps. Don't hit your stones, and then around the band, setting the size, the shape, and to the other side. This is securing the wire all together, making one unit. This is a dear little ring and would make such a beautiful gift for practically anybody who you love. Please subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos, and please take great care of yourselves. You are very special. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.